A good year ago, I reviewed the OBSBOT Tiny 4K, a great webcam which I have used quite a lot for filming videos on this channel. Yeah, and just now they came out with an upgraded and updated version. Look at that. It's so much smaller, looks even nicer, and the quality as well as the AI features are on a whole other level. So prepare to be amazed. Got the new drip from OBSBOT, the Tiny 2 4K webcam. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the boxes, the front, the sides, the back, and the other side. Top is blank, as well as the bottom. So let's open it up. Starting with the remote. There we go. Sweet remote. That is awesome. And now the camera box. Alrighty, so we have this, QR codes and the gestures. Then we have this new era of webcam. In here is all the paperwork. And then we will get this nice hard case. And in here, nice zipper by the way. And in here we have the cable, the base. We will also get an adapter. Ooh, sweet. And of course, the camera itself. Looking so nice. Alright, let's get straight to the accessories. And to the manual, of course. So first of all, we will get this bag, this hard case actually, and it's looking really nice. This is what it looks like. So we have this nice gray fabric. We even get a little carrying strap and the brand on the top. And in here we have we have the space for the USB-A to USB-C adapter right here. Then we will get a nice metal base. This will unfold. This is metal, this is amazing. So we can do it like this, and then also like this. So super versatile. This of course has a magnet in it, and this way it will hold on to the base. Super strong magnet in here. The base. Maybe this is actually for the base. This will fit in here perfectly. Then we will of course get a cable secured with a Velcro loop, USB-C to USB-C. Good length to it. Let's strap it up so that we can put it in here. Perfect. The adapter will easily fit in here as well. Before we get to the manual, we of course also have the remote. Super nice buttons. Power button 1, 2, 3, 4. P programs for controlling the gimbal. It's basically a joystick, really cool. Zoom, track, close-up, hand, and all controls on here. On the back we have the laser class 1 warning, and we will need 2 batteries. And wow, check this out. In here we even get a little USB-A receiver for the remote. This is amazing. And lastly, let's check out the paperwork. A warranty card right here. Multi-language, of course. And here we have the manual. This is what it looks like. Multi-language as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good stuff. And there is also a manual for the remote, of course. So there we have it. Multi-language as well. And you also, of course, have this area right here where you can maybe also put something. Base just fits here perfectly, but maybe the paperwork. Anyways, so done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then, of course, to a close overview. So here we have it. This little beast. Check it out. It's looking really nice. Metal all the way. Let me remove this protective film. So shiny. It's looking amazing. Contacts and thread on the bottom, and it's just feeling very well built. So yeah, let's take a close look. So first of all, we have the front right here with the brand and these 2 holes right here. Then we have this side. We have the back with the USB-C port, and the other side. Again, a look at the bottom with the thread, and in the resting position, that's the top of the gimbal. That's basically the resting position from the front. So we can go from here all the way to here, and we can go from here all the way to here. So that's the way it will move. And the camera module is looking like that with this nice signature OBSBOT branding with the red ring around. Looking really cool. And yeah, the camera looks really nice, as you can see. Big lens, big sensor in there. That should give us really nice 4K quality. So yeah, I can't wait to actually try it. And for this, we will of course need the base. So we could, for example, place this onto a monitor like so. And then this will just pop on here. Magnetic base, well, magnetic camera and metal base. And we can also fine adjust it with the base. So it will be in this position like that basically. So we can choose the angle with the base, and it's very flexible, very versatile, and the rest will be done with the gimbal. And you can also slide it around a bit There is a bit of wiggle room with the magnet. The magnet is really strong. Not bad, right? And now let's test it. So here we go. Since the onboard microphone of this camera is amazing, I will use it for this whole test. So first of all, let's check out the app. It's quite sophisticated. So up here we can select the webcam. We can also open up this store. Basically, we can discover different webcams. Here we also have the settings, all the software settings, OSC. We also have global hotkeys, and there are many possibilities. And we also have the general settings, also a tutorial. And here in the app, we have 4 segments. Basically, we have the console, the image, beauty filters, and more. We can add and create presets. We can customize the tracking. Then we can also start or stop the AI modes. We can of course control the gimbal, also zoom in and out. There are 3 presets when it gets to the field of view, and we can also reset the gimbal. Then when it gets to the image, we have tons and tons of options, and we can even set the focus priority to face, which is amazing, as well as the exposure, white balance, and a few image settings. Then we have the beauty filters, which is quite insane if you ask me, because they work in real time, although only in the software preview, right here in this video preview. So inside OBS, it won't work. And on here we also have color filters. Lastly, we can customize behavior of the camera, sleep time, all the gesture controls, and all of the voice control, audio settings, and of course update software. And lastly, up here we have a few shortcuts. We can open the video preview. This won't work when you're using it in another program, of course. Then we can sleep the camera and also wake it back up. We also can activate the remote, which is super handy to have. So with this we can, and it's also super fast. Check this out. So as soon as I press the button, it will react. So the remote is extremely fast and snappy, and it will only work when we actually activate it. So up here, and now it's working again. Then we can also activate and deactivate the global hotkeys, virtual camera, and also OSC. So let's get to all the top-notch features and why this camera is amazing. So first of all, as you can see, the video quality is amazing. This is the best video quality ever from OBSBOT. It is astounding. And of course that is thanks to the huge sensor in there. And this of course also boosts all the AI features. Thanks to the clear and crisp video, all the detection features will work so good. And it looks, I mean, just look at it. It's looking amazing. Even though this is a fairly difficult scene with the backlight and stuff, the face priority is just doing a flawless job. It's looking perfect. Secondly, we have the auto tracking with auto zoom. So with the remote, just click on track. And now it will actually track my face, and it will also zoom in. We can also start and stop this with the hand gesture. So now it stopped tracking me, and now with the hand gesture again, it's now tracking me. There is motion tracking and also standard tracking. And we can also, now that is crazy, we can also do a headless track, for example. Then it will cut off my head, basically. We can track the upper body, and we can also go for a close-up, and we can also track the lower body. That is the best. Yeah, and as you can see, when we go for a close-up, then it will automatically zoom in. So just like that, as you can see, it's following my face, zooming in. Great results. Let's stop it. Thirdly, we now have voice control. Check this out. Hi, Tiny. Sleep, Tiny. Track me. Unlock me. This is how to start and stop the tracking. Zoom out further. Zoom out further. Maxed out. Zoom in closer. Oh, wait, I need to set a zoom factor. Zoom out further. Zoom in closer. Ah, there we go. Position 1. Zoom out further. So, well, we haven't set up a position, but the voice control is working so nicely. Number 4, we have the magical gesture control. To activate or deactivate features, you can use the program, you can use the app, you can use the remote, you can use your voice, and you can also use your hands. As you already saw with this gesture, you can activate and deactivate the tracking mode. Stop. There we go. Also with the L sign, we can zoom in and out. And it will also recognize the shape super fast, as you can see. Nice. And we even have a dynamic zoom. Okay, that's out, I guess. And now let's zoom in. Check this out. That is awesome. And out again. Wow. All the way out. Come on. Yes, there we go. Number 5, the focusing is now 4 times faster. This camera is featuring an all-pixel focus. Thanks to the new all-pixel autofocus technology, the focusing has become extremely fast. Literally every pixel of this 50 megapixel sensor provides focusing data. So not only is it extremely fast, thanks to the massive resolution, it's also extremely precise and sensitive. And again, the sensor is huge, thus it has a high dynamic range. It will also work in fairly dim or low lit environments. All right, bonus features. As I said, we also have a great remote, and it even comes with a laser, as you can see right here. As I said, we also have extreme low light performance. To demonstrate, now it's just a dim light in the background. And now, whoa, there is no light whatsoever, well, except from the screen. And it's still focusing extremely well and extremely fast. Can it still do the... Of course it can, of course. Amazing. Then right here, we also have a desk mode. It will automatically switch around the camera, and then you can perfectly demonstrate everything that you have on the desk, write something, use a manual. It's amazing. As I said, we also have a whiteboard mode, and it can also literally just track your hands when you're, I don't know, draw something or something like that. Reset. Love the remote. We also have great privacy protection because the camera will point downwards when it's sleeping, so there is no way that a hacker can see you through the camera. Also, you can set the microphone behavior. You can turn it off when it's sleeping or turn it on when you want to wake it up with your voice, of course. And lastly, we also have an OSC and SDK protocol, and that of course allows for enhanced control. And lastly, let me show you the beauty modes, because this is also an amazing feature. So I am now in the app preview mode, and as you can see, my background is blurred. So in this video preview, we can access all the features and functionalities. So in the beauty segment, we can turn on and off the background blur, and we can also set the intensity from 0 all the way up to 100. Now it's at 30, if you're wondering. And then we can, now that is crazy. We can also go for a face filter. This will work in real time. It is crazy. So no filter and native beauty filter, basically. So it's literally changing the shape of my face, giving me a bit of makeup. Then this is the classic. Oh, this is also giving me makeup, even more actually. Native, classic, and then there is also a filter for men, no filter, and man. And that is amazing. We can even set the body. We can in real time change our, like the size of our head, make it bigger again. This is crazy. We can slim down our waist. So this is my usual look. And now let me slim down my waist. That is amazing. What? We can even change the shoulders. I look huge now. This is so funny. Make me slim all the way. That is amazing. I can't believe it. So as you saw, the Tiny 2 is by far the best and smartest webcam that OBSBOT has ever released. Amazing work, OBSBOT. I can't wait what they will come out next. To recap, we have amazing video quality, color reproduction, sharpness, and details. Lots and lots of details thanks to the ultra large 1 by 1.5 inch CMOS sensor. And that's of course also a big reason why all the existing AI features now work even better. For example, the gesture controls, aka Magical Gesture Control 2.0, now also with hands-free voice control, and of course the auto tracking with an auto zoom feature. The remote is also great and handy to have, a great tool with lots and lots of buttons. I don't want to miss this. And thanks to the all-pixel autofocus, it's now also focusing 4 times faster. It is incredibly fast. So with the Tiny 2, they struck the perfect balance between advanced software algorithms, AI features, and also the best in-class hardware. It's looking amazing. We have an all-metal body. It's just so nice. This will shake up the webcam space for sure, because this thing is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.